Hi fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time of stopping here, hi, I'm Blizzy, and if you are a returning subscriber, of course you are definitely welcome. You guys are super amazing. Thank you so much for always visiting whenever a new video is up. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I properly remove my makeup and as well my night skincare routine. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Without further ado, let's just get right into it now.
Do you want to know?
And guys, as I'm talking to you, I'm feeling sleepy. I don't know if you can see it on my eye because it's very late. I've been filming since morning, so I just remove my lashes like so. Adjust my cap backward a little bit. See micellar water. I have my micellar water here, so I'll take a micellar water. I recommend you use this one instead of a wiper, and this particular brand, this Garnier water cleanser, is so good. Then I will just wipe everything off. Do I want to leave this one here this way? So guys, everything is gone, but I'm not stopping here. If you see my face is very clean. Even in this water, they write it there's no need for washing, but I'm still going to wash my face because makeup, you have to clean it very well so that you don't end up bringing breakouts, pores or acne on your face. You have to wash it very well. So I'm just going to use this foamy cleanser to wash my face. You can see that there are some makeup coming out. Can you see? Can you see the reason why you have to use soap even after using wiper or face cleanser? Can you see why? Because you are still going to be some makeup that will come out of your face. So I've washed my face and I'm going to use my face towel to clean my face. Yeah, my face is very dry. It's even showing there that it's very dry because I have dry skin. I have dry skin, can you see? Ooh. So I'm going to apply my vitamin C face syrup, and it's for Florence. If you are doing your skincare or you are rubbing anything on your face, also make sure to rub them on your neck. I'm going to apply my lip balm on my lip to moisturize my lip because everywhere on my face is dry. My lip is dry everywhere. My cheek, my forehead, everywhere is dry. I have a dry skin. That's why I don't hesitate to always rub cream, my moisturizer. It's very important, very essential. Even though you don't have dry skin, you have to apply your moisturizer. It's very essential. Or you don't have time for skincare, don't play with moisturizer. Very important. There are variety of moisturizer out there in the supermarket and they are affordable. If you have 3 euro, you are going to get a very good one that will work so well for your skin. Like now, I have found a perfect one, and I found this CeraVe or Chirave. I found this one is so good on my skin, so good. I've been using it for the past 2 weeks now, and I've seen the difference. This vitamin C is set well. I'm going to apply my night cream, and I'm using this night cream here for DM. Then I'm just going to apply enough on my face, generous amounts, because I'm going to bed. It's very late. So everything is well penetrated. You can see my face is back. You can see that there is no dryness because of this oil. It does not end there. Just one more step. The final step is my eye cream. I'm going to apply my eye cream. I'll be using it so everywhere is wiped off. I can't see the name because it's already clean off. And I'm going to apply it right under my eye. So I just apply a little of my sunscreen on my face. While using my sunscreen, it does not matter if it's day or night, but I use it more in the day, especially if I'm going out. So I'm going to use my castor oil to brush my brow and my lashes. I've mentioned it in one of my videos that I use castor oil to grow my lashes and my brows. So this is what I do in the evening. I don't do it every time anyway, but at least 3 to 4 times in a week I always do it. If it were to be every day, my lashes could have grown more than this. But it's once. So guys, that is how I remove my makeup, and that is a little way I do my skin at night. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Other thing I will say is that don't ever, never sleep with a makeup. You should always remove your makeup.